How to maximize Windows 11 performance and speed up your PC. Hi guys, in this video, I'm going to tell you step by step that how you can maximize Windows 11 performance and speed up your PC. So let's dive in. First, you have to head over to your settings. Simply click the start icon and then you have to just search for settings in the menu. And once you click settings, it's going to open this window for you. And now you simply have to scroll down in this window and then you have to choose the system option. And on the system option, once you see the system option over here, you have to scroll down to the bottom and here you will find about. Click about. And now you can see it's going to bring you to this page. You have to scroll down and click advanced system settings in the related links. And now you have to choose advanced in the system properties. And then you can see this performance option. Click settings under the performance option. And you have to click adjust for best appearance and adjust for best performance. And then you have to click apply. And that's all. That's how you can maximize it.